Feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Stress is part of life, but how you handle it makes all the difference. In this video, I'll share simple, science-backed stress management techniques you can use anytime, anywhere.
Let's start with something powerful and free: your breath. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This helps slow down your heart rate, signaling your brain to relax. Just 2 minutes can shift your body from stress to calm.
Next, give your mind a break. Set a reminder to pause for 60 seconds every hour. During that minute, close your eyes, take deep breaths, or simply notice your surroundings. This small act resets your brain, lowers cortisol levels, and keeps stress from building up. Movement is medicine. You don't need a full workout, just a quick stretch, a short walk, or even standing up and rolling your shoulders. Physical activity releases endorphins, your body's natural stress fighters.
Journaling is another proven stress reliever. Write down what's bothering you, then list 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice shifts your focus from problems to positives, rewiring your brain toward calm and resilience.
And don't overlook sleep. Stress and poor sleep are a cycle. One feeds the other. Try a digital detox. Switch off screens 30 minutes before bed. Replace scrolling with reading or meditation, and your body will thank you.
Stress doesn't disappear overnight, but these small daily habits create lasting calm. Which of these techniques will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little calm today.